For months, astronomers described 3 Atlas as a spectacle, nothing more than a fleeting interstellar visitor destined to brush past Mars and disappear into the dark. But space has a habit of unraveling certainty. Fresh data from the James Webb telescope has unsettled that comfortable story. The calculations are no longer neat. The path is no longer stable. And now, quietly, cautiously, researchers are acknowledging a possibility once dismissed. This object may not simply pass Mars, it may intersect with it. What makes this deeply unsettling is not the object itself, but its behavior. 3 Atlas does not resemble the passive drift of a comet. It appears to adjust, to correct, to subtly reshape its trajectory. Instead of random eruptions of gas and dust, instruments detected something far more structured, rhythmic bursts, repeating with mechanical regularity. These emissions do not look like chaotic sublimation. They resemble controlled pulses, like deliberate thrusts. When 3 Atlas was first observed, its velocity captured attention. Racing inward at extraordinary speed, it seemed like another relic from interstellar space. Yet its motion began telling a stranger story. Rather than slowing or fragmenting, it exhibited faint but measurable acceleration. Its coma intensified. Ultraviolet signatures spiked. Outgassing patterns grew increasingly precise. The object was not behaving like debris shaped by sunlight. It was behaving like something maintaining control. Tracking updates deepened the mystery. Revised simulations showed its projected distance from Mars narrowing dramatically. In cosmic terms, the margin became razor-thin. Even minor variations in velocity, barely significant on astronomical scales, could transform a near miss into an impact scenario. And those very variations were already being observed in the object's pulsing emissions. Natural bodies vent gas unpredictably. 3 Atlas does not. Its bursts align with remarkable consistency, synchronized in ways that defied typical cometary physics. More intriguingly, these pulses appear oriented along the plane of planetary motion, as if optimized for trajectory shaping rather than random release. Scientists are no longer debating brightness curves. They are debating intent. Speculation inevitably followed. Some researchers proposed that the object's characteristics might hint at something engineered rather than accidental. Radar reflections added fuel to that debate. Instead of diffuse, icy signatures, returns suggested unusually sharp echoes. Nothing definitive, nothing conclusive, yet strange enough to keep conversations alive behind closed doors. If an impact were to occur, the consequences would extend far beyond a crater. At extreme velocities, the energy release would dwarf anything humanity has ever produced. Debris would be launched into orbit. Surface layers would be violently disturbed. Decades of robotic exploration could vanish in moments. Yet physical destruction is only part of the unease. Mars remains a world of unanswered biological questions. Beneath its surface may lie preserved chemistry, dormant ecosystems, or remnants of ancient life. A high-energy collision would expose subsurface regions never directly sampled. It would rewrite environmental conditions instantly. And if 3 Atlas carries complex organic material, whether naturally formed or otherwise, the interaction could trigger processes we barely understand. Then came the most provocative findings. Advanced spectrographic analysis revealed anomalies within the molecular cloud surrounding the object. Certain signatures appeared unexpectedly complex, hinting at structures rarely associated with simple cometary composition. These patterns remain contested, debated vigorously, yet impossible to ignore entirely. At the same time, Mars itself seemed to exhibit peculiar activity. Atmospheric fluctuations, localized thermal variations, subtle magnetic irregularities. each individually explainable, collectively intriguing. None prove anything extraordinary. Yet coincidences accumulate in ways that challenge comfort. Patterns began to dominate discussions. Timing alignments, repeating intervals, numerical relationships embedded in observational data, features that might be statistical noise, or might represent something more structured. Humans are pattern-seeking by nature. But sometimes patterns appear where randomness was expected. Perhaps the most unsettling aspect is psychological rather than physical. 3 Atlas forces a confrontation with uncertainty. It challenges the assumption that everything entering our solar system must be simple, inert, predictable. It reminds us that our models describe nature, but do not limit it. Maybe 3 Atlas is a rare but entirely natural object behaving in ways we do not yet fully understand. Maybe its apparent regularities are emergent physics rather than deliberate control. Science thrives precisely in such ambiguity. Yet the questions persist because the data refuses to settle neatly. As the object continues along its path, one reality remains constant: observation precedes understanding. Instruments record. Minds interpret. The universe does not explain itself, it presents phenomena, and waits. We once believed we were tracking a comet. Now we are tracking a mystery wrapped in motion, chemistry, and timing. Whether 3 Atlas becomes a footnote, a breakthrough, or something stranger altogether depends not only on what it is, but on what we learn. Because sometimes the most profound impact is not a collision with a planet. Sometimes it is a collision with what we thought was impossible. What unsettles researchers most is not any single anomaly, but the way the anomalies seem to layer, reinforcing each other like overlapping echoes. In isolation, each irregularity has a plausible explanation. Instrument noise. Calibration drift. Statistical coincidence. But taken together, the pattern resists easy dismissal. As 3 Atlas moved deeper into the inner solar system, its light curve began exhibiting fluctuations that refused to behave like simple rotational variability. Instead of smooth periodic brightening, the signal fractured into nested intervals, pulses within pulses, rhythms that seemed to reorganize themselves over time. Analysts expected randomness. What they found was structure. Even more curious was the stability of those structures. Natural outgassing events tend to decay, shift, or dissolve under changing solar conditions. Yet certain emission signatures from 3 Atlas persisted with remarkable consistency. Frequencies repeated. Ratios held. The object appeared not merely active but regulated. Meanwhile, computational teams ran simulation after simulation, feeding updated telemetry into increasingly sophisticated models. Most outputs converged toward familiar conclusions: a volatile rich body responding to solar heating. Yet a subset of scenarios produced something harder to rationalize. Under specific parameters, tiny asymmetries in gas release could generate sustained trajectory corrections, subtle, cumulative adjustments indistinguishable from guided steering. The distinction between natural physics and controlled behavior began to blur. Attention shifted toward the object's surrounding environment. Dust distribution maps revealed filament-like formations extending far beyond what standard cometary dynamics predicted. These were not diffuse plumes, but narrow streams, collimated in ways that suggested directional bias. Something was shaping the ejecta. Then came the thermal discrepancies. Infrared measurements detected localized temperature gradients across the object's coma that did not correlate cleanly with solar illumination. Regions facing away from the sun occasionally exhibited unexpected heating, while sunlit areas remained comparatively subdued. Energy appeared to be redistributed through mechanisms still poorly understood. Speculation intensified, but so did caution. Extraordinary interpretations demand extraordinary evidence, and the scientific community knows too well the dangers of premature conclusions. Yet privately, conversations grew less dismissive. Language shifted from impossible to unlikely, from noise to unresolved. Mars, silent and distant, became the focal point of growing unease. Orbital assets monitoring the planet recorded subtle atmospheric disturbances that did not align neatly with known seasonal models. Trace gas concentrations